for class 12. To the this session will be little small. So wireless media we will understand more in depth. Same thing will be continued here. So wireless media we have electromagnetic wave. Okay, these are used for wireless communication. This wave is used for wireless communication over the computer networks. So computer networks or nodes which are on network will be get connected via electromagnetic wave. Frequencies of electromagnetic wave are measured in hertz, as we know. Okay, so based on the frequency of electromagnetic wave, the categories are radio wave, microwave, infrared wave, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays and gamma rays. So electromagnetic spectrum, if you see, we can use only these three wave for wireless communication. This is infrared light. Okay, this is radio wave. Sorry, this is radio wave. This is microwave. Only this three electromagnetic wave which we can use for transmitting our data. Apart from this, these all are useless for transmitting data. So electromagnetic spectrum we understood. We can use only these three: infrared light or rays. We can use for wireless communication these three rays wave. Okay, same thing, same images is available. Radio wave, first we'll understand that thing. Radio wave have a frequency of 3 hertz, kilohertz, 3 gigahertz. Okay, radio wave can travel over distance few meters to covering entire city. This radio wave, what we see in radio channel, we have the radio channel won't cover around the state or around the city. It will cover up to few meters distance. So that is the range of radio wave. This wave can travel long distance in any direction and can penetrate solid objects. Suppose we built a radio wave tower and we start signaling those, whatever buildings or rocks or mountains comes in its path, the waves will penetrate or pass through those buildings or blocks also very easily, and communicate. The data communication can be established. This wave can travel, and this wave is used for communication for both indoor and outdoor use. For example, cordless phone, FM radio, etc. We can use this for indoor and outdoor use also. Whatever we see, these are the examples. Characteristics are radio wave is omnidirectional, means it will go in all direction. So there is no need of alignment of antennas. So there is no need of alignment. Suppose we have built one more radio antenna over here. The alignment is not required. The both antenna will get connected very easily, right? So it is inexpensive way of transmitting the wired network, since it's get penetrated via any building or rocks. This is the most inexpensive way we can build a radio wave. It offers very easy communication path over difficult terrain. As I told you, solid body, this can penetrate very easily. Permission is required for use of radio wave. We need to have a permission from government before using the radio wave. Less secure mode of transmission. This is because hacker can hack the data very easily. You can see this thing in any war movie. You can see that the data or communication is getting interpreted via enemy soldiers. Those are the radio waves which they use. So same ways, the radio wave can also be hacked very easily while transmission. The transmission can be easily interfered or disturbed by the motors or other electrical equipment. Suppose any equipment which is passing some wave or some disturbing the frequency of the radio wave, then this radio wave can be disturbed or interfered very easily. So this is a drawback. Microwave, second is micro radio wave have frequency about 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. There is some overlap. There is some overlap is there between radio wave and frequency, and this is the overlap. Actually, this is the microwave. Microwave have frequency of 3. So this, since there is overlap with radio wave, because see, if you match these two datas, you can find that there is some overlapping happening between radio wave and microwave. There is some overlap with radio and microwave. This wave can travel in a straight line, so we need antenna which aligned properly based on the alignment of our microwave. Okay, so this wave can travel straight line and cannot penetrate any solid body. If any body comes in between the path of the microwave, the microwave connection will get disturbed or get disconnected. Okay, so these things we need to take care for traveling microwave between two towers. The tower must be good height and solid object must not come in the path of microwave. Same thing what I told, same example. Since microwave travels in a straight line, so the communication using microwave of the antennas must be aligned properly, as I told before. It is not omnidirectional, it is directional, so we need to have antenna which communicate properly. If any antenna's direction get changes, then the microwave connection communication between our network connected via microwave will get disconnected. Okay, characteristics are free from land acquisition right. We don't need any land for establishing the tower. We can put the antenna anywhere. Relatively inexpensive than wired media. This is little inexpensive since we are using wireless. Offers ease of communication over with difficult terrain. Okay, we can put this attachment, this network, establish network in difficult terrain, difficult areas where the cable wiring is very difficult to put or install. The transmission is a straight line, so transmitting and receiving antenna must be aligned properly with each other. See, this transmission is a straight line only, so both antenna must be aligned according to the each other. Infrared waves, this is third and last. Infrared waves have frequency of 300 MHz to 400 THz. Why we name infrared? VIBGYOR, we know violet in green, yellow or red, orange, red. So this red light have a frequency of 400 THz to 484 THz, and the frequency of infrared is just like red light frequency of VIBGYOR. So we named this as infrared. This wave can travel only up to 5 meters of range. This can't go beyond 5 meters. We can use this infrared on a TV remote or a mouse or a AC remote. We can see. Okay, game console, we use this remote infrared waves to communicate between your remote and the TV or any gaming console. The infrared cannot pass through the solid body. If someone comes in front of your TV remote, the remote will stop working. That's the same thing here they are doing. Characteristics are very simple. This is line, straight line of sight transmission. We need to show the remote to the TV, then only the TV will start doing the instruction, following your instruction according to remote controls. Information passed to one device cannot be leaked to another device. That's also right. The remote which is built for one machine cannot instruct other machine to do some work. That's things they are saying. No government license is required. There is no need of getting a girlfriend at government license. The infrared waves cannot cross any solid body, as I told before just now. Performance drops as the distance increased. As we go beyond 5 meters, the performance will get degraded.